Hi, I'm Perry from Unga Guitars and the Unga School of Guitar Making. I got my bang build here. I was routing my control cavity and I wanted to share this pointer with you. So if you look close here, you're going to see two different levels. So what I did here is I took a Forstner bit and I routed the actual depth for the control to be able to get my nut on to the top here. So this is the only thin point. The reason why I did this is I don't want to route that whole pocket here. It creates a tremendous weak point and can allow cracking should the instrument fall or should something get set on top of it accidentally, maybe guitar cases getting stacked. Those knobs sticking off the top here create a focal point to crack that top. And this cavity is pretty big, so this could be a really big crack. I started thinking along these lines when I was doing a lot of repair work and I had a bunch of SGs come my way that had this crack and also headstock breaks. Very popular on those type of guitars. But that whole pocket on the SG, it's really big. And I would see them crack down the middle sometimes, multiple cracks, and fixing those things was it was a tricky repair. But very nice to have those repairs when they were coming in. So what I did here was I routed the pocket about halfway down the thickness of the body, and being that the way I place my template is by drilling this hole for my volume control first. I was able to place my template on here, and then I got my Forstner bit in here on my drill press, and I set the depth on that Forstner bit to go to about 1/4 inch, and then I dropped that. I pushed the guitar template into the Forstner bit and spun it by hand to make sure I was clear of the edges, and then I went ahead and drilled that down. When you leave this thickness here, this is going to keep everything stable, and depending on all the different controls that you might have, I might have multiple little pockets here for that. I want to keep as much strength and stability in these guitars. The goal is to build guitars that are going to last. We don't have to keep repeating the same mistakes that other companies do. So I wanted to share that with you. I'm Perry from Unga Guitars and the Unga School of Guitar Making. I look forward to seeing you next time.